Hi, I'm Grant, and I'm going to be hiking and camping in a winter snowstorm. It's supposed to snow all evening. Right now the snow is only about 4 inches. We're expecting about another 5 to 8 inches this evening. There's a lot of trees that I'm finding that fell down during Hurricane Helene. Here's an oak tree. This is a big oak tree. It's got a big root ball that came with it. Look at how this tree's hollowed out. There's some more trees down over here. Looks like another oak tree. Look at this. See a row of trees that have fallen down. There's a big one. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 trees in a row that have fallen down. Looks like the first one fell and kept knocking them down. Let me show you how big this tree root is. You can see it's about 3 feet higher than the top of my hand. It's just a mess. Here's another hemlock that came down in this path. Great place to get firewood. In western North Carolina, there's a disease that's been killing all the beech trees, and so you've got a lot of trees that are about 15 feet tall, like this one right here, that have had the tops of them fall off because they lost their structure. I'll show it to you. This is a pretty common look for a beech tree. They're all over the place. Here's another one. They usually fall off about 15 feet or 20 feet in the air. Here's 2 more right here. See a lot of deer tracks. This spot will work. This spot's next to the creek. Alright, I just finished putting up my tarp, and I've got a good little spot out of the snow, so not too bad. I believe it'll be a good spot to stay tonight. The best part is I can listen to the creek all night. Got my tent set up, and now I'm going to start a fire. I use dryer lint to get the fire started. It makes it really easy. And there's plenty of wood, dead wood around, that I shouldn't have any problems getting wood to keep the fire going tonight. Ooh, that smoke. This is nice. I've got everything set up, got the fire going. I'm out of the snow. You listen to the creek. This is a beautiful creek. Let me show it to you. I've got snow buildup on my hat. Got snow buildup on top of my tarp. I'm gonna need a lot of firewood to keep this thing burning all night. Let's get something to eat. I'm getting hungry. Sun's going down. Got everything ready for the night. Got a good fire going with some wood on top of it. But I'm gonna make some dinner. Got leftover beef stew and some candy. We'll let that cook. All right, that looks ready to eat. I've got roast beef. Got potatoes. And carrots. That's good. Now for the chocolate. There's more snow that keeps accumulating on top of my tent. Just keep knocking it off. Nice and hot. That smoke is coming right at me. I am tired. I'm gonna go see how much snow is on my tent and then go to bed. The snow keeps accumulating on top of my tent. This is the third time I've done this. I'm hoping it doesn't get too heavy overnight. I'm gonna try to cook a pancake. We'll see how it goes. It's a lot windier this morning than it was yesterday. It's still snowing a little bit, but I think it's mostly finished. My stove isn't putting out enough heat to actually cook a pancake. I think it's because it's just too cold or it has ice. Well, it's been fun, but it's time to head back. Thanks for watching.